Hello friends, welcome back to lmsd.com. In today's screencast, we will learn how you can grant extension to the assignment submission deadlines for your students. Let us say that you have set up an assignment in your Moodle course and the due date is passed, but few of the students were not able to submit the assignment and you would like to give them an extension in the due date. So we'll see how you can do that. As of now, I'm logged into this Moodle site as the admin, but the process will be similar when you are logged in as a teacher also. So as you can see that I will be going to this assignment, which was due yesterday. Today is 29th of January. I'm recording this screencast and this assignment was due on 28th of January. So I will be just adding the user overrides for this assignment to grant an extension in the deadline submission. So let us click on this assignment and here go to the more and click overrides. So as of now, you can see that there are no user overrides. So you can click on this add user override button. And here you can select a different deadline for the users which are selected here. So let me say that I would like to give them an extension of approximately 1 week. And I will be just searching the users here who I would like to give them an extension. And then once I'm done with all the users addition here, then just click on save or save and enter another override. So this way you can grant an extension deadline for specific students, such as now for this student one, the due date override is now for Sunday 4th of February 2024. So this is how you can use the user overrides in Moodle assignments activity to grant them extensions on deadlines or any other things. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you.